Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about E1cB reaction. Now let's dive in a topic. Elimination unimolecular conjugate base. The name of the mechanism E1cB stands for elimination unimolecular conjugate base. Elimination refers to the fact that the mechanism is an elimination reaction and will lose two substituents. Unimolecular refers to the fact that the rate determining step of this reaction only involves one molecular entity. Finally, conjugate base refers to the formation of the carbanion intermediate, which is the conjugate base of the starting material. The E1cB elimination reaction is a type of elimination reaction which occurs under basic conditions where the hydrogen to be removed is relatively acidic while the leaving group such as OH or OR is relatively poor one. Usually a moderate to strong base is present. E1cB is a two-step process, the first step of which may or may not be reversible. First, a base abstracts the relatively acidic proton to generate a stabilized anion. The lone pair of electrons on the anion then moves to the neighboring atom, thus expelling the leaving group and forming a double bond or triple bond. The most well-known reaction that undergoes E1cB elimination is the aldol condensation reaction under basic conditions. This involves the deprotonation of a compound containing a carbonyl group that results in the formation an enolate. The enolate is the very stable conjugate base of the starting material and is one of the intermediates in the reaction. This enolate then acts as a nucleophile and can attack an electrophilic aldehyde. The aldol product is then deprotonated, forming another enolate followed by the elimination of water in an E1cB dehydration reaction. The mechanism: aldol addition in basic condition, OH abstract proton, enolate ion is formed, which is conjugated. This enolate acts as a nucleophile and attack on electrophilic carbonyl. CC bond is formed. Abstraction of proton takes place. Again, OH abstract hydrogen, enolate is formed. The shifting of bond takes place and the removal of hydroxide ion takes place to form this product. Condition: when a beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is treated with a moderately strong base such as a hydroxide or an alkoxide, And elimination occurs by expelling the hydroxyl group. The most common example is the aldol condensation reaction. This is alpha hydrogen and beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. When it treated with a strong base, it forms alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl. This is alpha, a carbon atom next to carbonyl group is alpha, and beta unsaturated carbonyl. Generally, the E1cB elimination occurs only when there is resonance with drying group between the leaving group and the hydrogen. Resonance with drying group. Here no reaction occur. No resonance with drying group, no reaction occur. It is a resonance with drying group. So the elimination of hydroxyl takes place and reaction proceeds. It is also a resonance with drying group, so the reaction can take place and alpha beta unsaturated compound is formed. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe my channel Science Kick. Allah Hafiz.